Hello, I'm James Clark from the Department of Physiology at King's College London, and in this very short tutorial I'm going to show you how to get closed captions or subtitles on your videos that you've uploaded to Kaltura using My Media. So here we have the My Media account for me on my VLE Keats at King's College London, but Moodle for all other institutions looks very similar. In order to request closed captions to be made for your video, simply click on the title of the video to load up the video page. You don't want to play the video, but if you scroll down and click on the Actions button, you can order captions. All you need to do is select the language in which the video is made, in this case English, and click on the Order Captions button. Wait a few seconds and you'll see that the caption request has been received. Kaltura tells you that captions will automatically upload it to your video upon completion, and press OK. If for instance you're in your My Media account and you've requested a number of captions and want to check what the process is currently standing at, you can click back on the video, scroll down and click on the Actions button and choose the Caption Requests button, and you'll see it'll tell you when the captions were requested and when they expect them to be ready for you. I hope that helps.